Welcome. In this quick video, you'll see how to bring your Excel data into Lumenore and get powerful insights fast. Start by uploading your Excel file. It's quick and hassle-free. Now easily transform your data using Lumenore Data Magnet and make it analytics ready with just a few clicks. No coding required. Now create the schema and start building your dashboard. Just drag and drop your fields to create live KPIs, charts, and filters. Everything updates in real time. No formulas or code, just click Create and go. Here's an example of a completed dashboard built using Excel data. Clean, interactive, and ready to drive decisions. Want quick insights? Just ask in simple English and unlock insights instantly. With Lumenore Ask Me, leverage specialized AI agents for targeted analysis. Just type or speak commands such as change chart type to line chart. You'll get instant charts, summaries, and visual answers without writing formulas. Plus, Lumenore's Do You Know engine can forecast future trends and help you compare how different metrics are performing over time. It can even flag trends, spikes, and outliers for you automatically. So, whether it's raw Excel sheets or complex reports, you can turn your data into smart, interactive dashboards and AI insights. Connect your first Excel file and see what Lumenore can do for you.